So as you can see, those are my slides, and we are going to start with this cloning. So we have to look at the definition of this cloning. What is this cloning? So this cloning is the process of creating an exact copy of a storage device, including its operating system, program, files, and configurations. So before we begin this cloning, the first thing we have to do is to download the software. So the software I'm going to use is a free software, and it is called Disk Genius. So you have to first go to the website Disk Genius and download it, then you install it. So you have to back up the data from local disk C, which we are going to clone to local disk D. So we back up the data to make sure that doesn't get not affected in the process, as well as the Disk Genius does this cloning in a safer way, but never know. Computer is a computer. Maybe there will be some errors, and then you lose the data. So you have to back up the data, and then you download the software. Then you make sure the local disk D, where we are going to transfer our files, our operating system, has enough space which can accommodate all the data we are going to be transferring from local disk C to local disk D. So local disk D should have enough space. So after getting it, you install by clicking on the installation, and then double click on the application which you downloaded. Then you follow the installation wizard procedures, then you'll continue. And this is how the window will appear. This is the Disk Genius after you have finished installing. So how do we do the disk cloning? So to start this cloning, we get the software, we open it. Double click on the software, it will open as it is shown here. After that, you click on tools, then you go to clone disk, click on it. Then from there, it will ask you to click on the source disk where we are getting which we are going to clone, where we are getting the software, the Windows from. Click on it, and then you go to the next. It will tell you click the destination. For us, we are moving from local disk C to local disk D. So you click on it. Then after you click on the destination disk, then there's some part of partitioning. You have to do partitioning of the disk. If you want to use the entire disk, you just move the arrow. There's a circle, you can move it, and then you cover the entire disk without leaving any free space. After you click that, then you click on start, and the Disk Genius process will automatically start. So that was our question. Let me show you the practical. As for me, I've already downloaded Disk Genius and I've installed it. So when I double click on it, as it is loading, I've clicked on it and it is coming, and we shall do. They are opening. So this is how it is. This is Disk Genius. So what I was saying is, after you click on this, click on tools, you go to clone disk, then we choose the source disk. We're moving from local disk C. I click on it, I press OK. Then the destination, you click OK. Then this is how it is. After you have, this is what I was saying, you move this like this and like this. After you have moved it to the size you want, you click on start, and then the cloning process will start. As mine, I won't start it because I don't have where to back up my data. I may lose all the data. So this is the last part. You just click on start and it will move everything. That's all.